us. But then something happened to each and every one of us, and we started moving like zombies towards them. The riot really began when they blinked, and they moved back. And then we surged forward. And then even more forward. They got into the bar and slammed these very strong wooden doors and were looking at us. It didn't stop there. There was this one queen who was very, very poor. She was very, very interesting. She single-handedly, a skinny queen, grabbed a meter from the street and shook it out. And then other queens grabbed it and started ramming the door. Their faces within the, which were framed by the peephole, you could see a growing sense of alarm. They really weren't sure what to do, and the door was starting to be smashed. Some queen, I don't know how, had some lighting fluid and then set it afire. This, where you could see them calling in for help.
So this all escalated really fast.
It was going very fast.
And it's spontaneous.
And it was spontaneous. And then when the other police force came in from different areas, the riot truly began. And like any riot, it was kinetic.